Every employee's tech experience can shape productivity outputs. It can make or break performance and productivity across departments, not just IT. Manual tasks, disconnected tools, service delays. There's a better way. Unisys Enterprise Service Management offers a comprehensive and modular approach to service management that lets you pick and choose the functionality you need. When all departments use the same processes and tools, organizational efficiency surges. Our solution unites HR, IT, financing, marketing, and customer service and more under common processes. Automate repetitive tasks, boost visibility, solve problems faster, proactively solve issues before they impact teams, scale what works, simplify and standardize service practices to reduce cost, and deliver enhanced customer experiences through streamlined service delivery powered by leading ESM platform providers. Transform your enterprise with a solution as unique as your organization. Unisys Enterprise Service Management delivers what you need today with the flexibility for tomorrow. Visit unisys.com to learn more.